Imagine stepping into your garden in 2025, hands in the soil, sunlight warming your face. The Bible is rich with gardening wisdom that still speaks to us today. In Genesis, God places Adam and Eve in a garden, calling them to care for and steward creation. This original purpose connects deeply with sustainable gardening practices we embrace now. When you plant a seed, think of Jesus' parable of the mustard seed. It starts tiny, but grows into something mighty and sheltering. Each sprout reminds us that faith, like a seed, requires nurturing, water, sunlight, and patience. Composting and caring for the earth reflect biblical stewardship and respect for God's creation. Proverbs 12:11 says, "Those who work their land will have abundant food." Gardening is more than growing vegetables. It's about spiritual growth, too. When weeds appear, consider how distractions in life can choke out what is good. Pulling weeds is like pruning our hearts, making space for God's love to flourish. Let gardening be a sacred act this year. Grow food, grow faith, and grow closer to God every day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at the end of the video.